like actually the head waterfalls thing in the water.
Yeah, I do as well. It's a nice machine.
Mm. So he's coming back then, you again?
No.
No, you're fine. Really long tunnel on that one.
Yeah, it's a fill tunnel. They all do that.
I like that idea.
Yeah, I do as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've always wanted a modern Bosch, but yeah.
I'm not sure what's going to happen to that one, so.
Yeah. I'd have it if I'd had room.
But someone can't and won't let you have one.
Yeah.
Unless if you get rid of one.
Yeah. But I wouldn't get rid of my WT960 for anything.
Yeah. Until it physically is
Yeah.
gone.
I like the wash action.
I do as well, believe it or not. It comes close to the other brand.
Yeah. You mean that brand?
Yes, that brand.
And
Yes.
that brand.
Yes, that brand. Yes.
You'll be able to get that all in one video, I would have thought.
Yeah, that's what I'm going for.
Yeah. Should be alright doing it online with this as well. I forgot to delete my iMessages for doing that.
Well, it's only a 20-minute video. When I first got the first night, and I didn't actually realise that iMessages actually
Took up that much room, yeah.
I think after this, I think we deserve a well-deserved cup of tea.
Another one, yeah.
And an apple pie.
Ooh.
And a cherry bit now.
Not the cherry.
Not a cherry bit now, today.
I don't need to do it. Suspension seems a bit bouncy.
Yeah. Aren't you just?
Yeah.
So that's the first time that's had a load in it.
Yeah. And by the way, this load is towels, but this isn't going to be the main wash. This is only for test purposes. Such good wash action, and it's got a high water level.
Yeah, you can just see it just above the... very nicely.
Yeah, you need to turn your thingy off.
Yeah.
It's on thingy mode, isn't it?
Yeah, night service.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you off. You win. And again. You know if the air turns blue, I know why. I think there's actually probably a few rats outside dying now.
Oh dear. Oh god, it does smell a bit.
Yeah, I can smell it from here, thank you. And it's lingering.
What a shame.
Well, after like 8 cotton 90s, I think it's nice and
Pretty
clean now.
clean, yeah. And this will just finish it off.
Yeah, doing a cotton pot. No, what we should have done is done it on a cotton cold.
This is super quick 40, so.
Yeah, so we'll go for it.
Is it actually heating? It's not heating very quickly.
No, I mean like when I did the service against it, it's like that was like it washed for ages and then kicked in.
Yeah. Well, I think this only does one rinse.
Does it?
Something like that.
One rinse. I think 20 is better, thanks. We've got it 20 times after.
No.
Yeah, but you got to make sure that the clothes are clean.
Yeah.
So if you put it on 20 times after, then you'll know you get definitely thoroughly rinsed
Yeah.
clothes. Or in this case, towels. Are you enjoying that the ray of fluorescence behind you?
Yeah, it's actually quite useful.
Yes. Might be just. What we should do is we should actually go and back me to the ceiling and go and plug it in.
Huh. Oh, it is actually heating now. I can hear it.
When the service and that was on together, I couldn't actually understand what the machine was doing because
Yeah,
the
yeah,
service
that one.
the service was
Well, it's got a loud heater, that service, so.
It's a lovely heater.
Loud?
I 11 minutes remaining.
Needs leveling this thing.
Well, yeah, put it in there. Was actually
A little bit. It's wobbling around a bit, but I don't know why. Oh. You can feel it wobbling, but no, never mind.
no, she said.
that didn't heat to 40, I don't think. Oh well. Oh, dish drain thingy.
Yeah, I was telling you that.
Yeah.
As soon as the water's completely emptied out, then it'll actually stop and go back the other way.
Yeah. I don't know if it does a spin after the wash.
I'm not sure of that one,
I
but
think it does, possibly.
I would imagine so, but yeah, just keep. I was actually expecting the drum to be bigger, to be honest.
Yeah, a little bit.
Got a friend in Germany who's got one like this. He said, oh no, I was telling you earlier, it's like Devon.
Oh yeah.
Whatever, it's 10 minutes left.
Oh, that's interesting.
So slow way, so squeaky suspension.
Yeah.
Where's you got squeaky legs? Okay, went down just a sec. This isn't like Bosch. No, she's the service girl.
No. So it does 2 rinses. Pretty good.
Sure, that's the left.
That's not it, trust me.
That's probably what the service is normal.
Yeah. Might fill again, I don't know. Oh, it did.
Wait there, are you communicating?
Yeah.
Do you talk Bosch?
Chris Splash Bosch.
Yeah.
Real good notch. With a bit of funny tosh. Bit more slosh. talking.
You like slush dancing?
Yeah, I'm talking Bosch.
Yeah. Tell us about it. If anyone's out there, shoot 'em. In fact, I'll give my Antonio Maloney gun out.
No, really.
Yeah, really. That's not too bad after the second instance, is it? Yay!
Look.
The home feet.
Wibbly wibbly. Yeah, that needs levelling quite badly.
Just a little bit.
Just a bit, yeah.
This was actually a good test for that one.
Yeah.
Because when I first got it, I actually only had 3 feet.
Oh, so you got another foot?
Aye.
Alright, went up.
Well, I've got my left foot, see, if you want it. But see, the problem is, because I've got Italian feet. Everyone else has got, like, other feet.
Right. Quiet. Oh, so a pneumatic drill in here somewhere.
You want one?
No, I'm alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I think you want one.